Your drip cushion will dampen the noise of water drops on the exterior surface of your July. We recommend affixing your drip cushion before your July is installed in the window. If your July is already installed, you'll want to bring it in and set it on the ground. To deinstall your July, simply find the release button underneath the front of the July. Click it in and pull the July in. You can also watch our de-installation tutorial video. To install your drip cushion, first ensure that the top of your July is free of dirt, water, or anything else. You can wipe it clean with a dry cloth. Next, make sure you check the orientation of your drip cushion by holding it against the unit. The cutout holes in your drip cushion should align with the exhaust vents on your July to prevent any negative impact on July's performance. Next, peel the drip cushion off the backing sheet. Starting from the back of the AC, as shown here, slowly and evenly unroll and stick your drip cushion onto the top of your AC unit so that it lines up against the edges and the vent placement. After your drip cushion is attached, you can install your July unit normally, sliding it back through the frame until you hear a click.